another banger. So, I have been playing a little bit off camera. And now I have 19,000 coins. I haven't upgraded nothing. So let's just go ham with the upgrades. Boom. We already have almost none. Guys, I just upgraded twice. And now I don't have nothing. So let's hop right into the game. Boom. Boom. I think this is part 4 or 3. No, part 4. Yeah, part 4, guys. Wow. Today we're gonna... Guys, you see this? Guys, do you see my car right now? I literally go easy on it. Well, calling easy this is easy. Guys, my car just went like ham on my car literally said, oh, I don't want the back end. Next wheel, oh, and it's 1 wheel. Well, technically 2 wheel, because on the other side, but I can't see the other side. It's a 2D game or something like that. 2D probably. Boom. Booster lost. Guys, I'm literally holding down boost and going. God. Come on. Oh, guys. Guys, you gotta always upgrade your armor. Ooh, this car looks fire, dude. This car actually looks fire. Guys, put in the comments what game I should, start playing again. Start playing, maybe some Call of Duty Mobile, maybe some anything. And guys, watch the full video to see if I unlocked a new car. Guys, watch the full video. Because if you don't watch the full video, guys, I'm literally pushing gas without me. No. Yes, let's go. Gotta see. That's shopping noise, guys. Guys, listen to the chop. I'm about to ride on 1 wheel. Look at the car, guys. Wow. Crazy. Look at this. Well, the chopper stays went off. Hold a wheelie. Man, out of fuel. See, guys, what's my transmission? We don't have. Meow. Oh man, a boost? That sucks. I hate such a boost. Meow. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video right here, and you'll see me when I'm almost there. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm not almost there, but guys, I'm gonna pause the video for a reason. I'm gonna get to the next car, and I'm gonna play with the next car in this video. Isn't that insane? Yeah, okay. Guys, I just got a whole bunch of money. Wait, 1 second. Guys, boom! I just got so much money. Wow. Let me just get this. And fully upgraded extra power and added. What, guys? That's crazy. I have everything upgraded to the max. Wait, guys. No. probably gonna get to the, you know what I'm talking about, to the end, and right here, and I'm gonna be able to use the ice cream truck car. And guys, I am gonna be able to use the ice cream truck car. I don't know how good it is. It might be good. I don't know. Oh, guys, I'm getting the boost. I'll save a little bit of boost. Just a little bit. Half a tank. Oh, battery low. Don't want, no, I'm gonna, yep, I lost. Oh my gosh. Oh, I still have boost. I need to take it easy. Guys, I still got a lot of gas. A lot of gas. Oh, pretty cool. Guys, that was a pretty cool thumbnail. This is going to be a pretty cool thumbnail because I'm going to have the ice cream truck as my thumbnail probably. Oh, sorry, good. Guys, why is this car so fast? Like, I've been noticing that. It's so fast now. I think it's these tires. Just look at it. The tires ain't even moving. Well, they're moving so fast. Guys, we're here. Oh, shoot. I don't want to break the car before I get there. Oh, God. Guys, we're here. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Ice cream truck. Got $8,000 there. Guys, how many? Nope. No ads. Nope. No ads, guys. I'm gonna pause the video right here. Guys, boom! I got the ice cream truck. What is this? That's a weird looking beast. Guys, this is so much money. I can only upgrade one thing. Let me test it out. Don't even have boost. Guys, this world looks so different. It's really cool, actually. Guys, I'm gonna make another channel called Luxion Games, like 2 or something, and I'm gonna make that on my iPhone, and I'm gonna play Fortnite. Some of y'all might not like Fortnite, but that's okay. Out of fuel already? God. Guys, I'm out of fuel already. Wow. 26,000? What? Guys, wheelie and ice cream truck. You've never seen it before. Guys, I wonder how this is gonna look fully upgraded. That was cool. Hey guys, subscribe with notifications on, and hit the like button so I can get monetized, and I can get, guys, should I upload this? Holy guys, this is crazy. Hit the like button and the notification so you'll never miss another one of my videos. Part 5 is going to come out tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. Because tomorrow I have to go to my brother's house and they have good internet, but I'm probably not going to be on my phone all the time. I'm not going to be around y'all, sadly. Guys. Look at that booster, guys. Guys, this is insane. subscribers. And then I can start making money, which I don't make money on YouTube, sadly. I want this to be my free work. Because, guys, this thing moves when you hit the boost. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you like and subscribe. And I'm about to upgrade this wheel, and that's insane. So, like and subscribe. Comment how you like the video, and goodbye.